Right, if your engine is revving as it should be at about 3,600 revs per minute, you should be producing a decent vacuum. First thing to do, if you block that valve with an end cap or with your hand, you can then check that you're getting a decent vacuum. A working vacuum is 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 bars. If you're not pulling a vacuum here, first thing to do is check that your ball valve at the bottom of the moisture trap is closed. You might have drained it and then forgotten to close the valve, so check that's closed. Also check that this cover is securely on, tightened. Make sure that you've got lots of thread tape so that it's properly sealed. If you don't have a good vacuum there, then you might need to look at your vacuum pump. Maybe the vanes got rusted and stuck. We have found sometimes when the vanes are a bit stuck, if you just run it for a while, make sure it's oiling, it frees up and then the vacuum improved. But generally, if you do have a problem, a leak in your vacuum system, 9 times out of 10 or 99 times out of 100, the problem is down the line, it's not here. If with the air hose connected, you're not pulling a vacuum, your big sludge hose, check that that's actually submerged in the pit. If it's not submerged in the pit, obviously you're not going to be pulling a vacuum. If these hoses get damaged, maybe somebody's driven over it or damaged it, you could get a little air leak and then that would break the vacuum. Very easy to fix though. You can just wrap it with a bit of tape or something like that, a bit of duct tape, so that's easy to fix. The vacuum tank seals with 2 seals. We've got a seal under the top cover and we've got a seal on the discharge valve. Here we're looking at the underside of the vacuum cover. We've got a 12mm thick, 25mm wide firm rubber seal. When there's a vacuum inside that tank, it just presses down nicely against that seal. If the seal should get damaged, cut away and peel off that piece of seal and replace it with another piece from the spare seal that we send with the machine. If you have a little bit of solid waste, bit of trash maybe sitting on that disc, when it's low, then you won't get a great vacuum. So then you must just make sure that you check that that's clear